Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video we are going to create a poster using some text. As you can see on your screen, this is what we are going to create. This is a very simple poster. So let us begin. I will create a new document, A4 size, and I will change the orientation to landscape. Now I will import the image. You can select any image that you like, but I'm going to select the same image and simply inserting it over here. Then I am going to simply double click on the rectangle tool so that the rectangle is created automatically aligned to the page, and I'm going to place this picture inside the rectangle using the power clip option. Simply right click, power clip inside and place it. You can again change the position. I'm just double clicking and changing the position, and again you can change the position or size of the image inside the container anytime you want, so not to worry. If you want to get out of the container or the power clip, you can simply click on finish or Control plus click outside, so it will be closed. Now let me draw a rectangle again. Now I will color this with any color. For example, I will color this with this one, and we are going to change the color later on. And I am going to type some random text. You can type whatever you want. So I'm going to type this. I have already typed. Now I'm going to select a bold font so that it will look the stuff behind this particular object should be visible clearly. So I'm selecting a thick font or bold font. So I have a bold font over here. You can select it and keep the line spacing to minimum so that the content behind the shape will be visible clearly. I'm going to increase the size, let's say this one, this much, and again whatever spacing you are comfortable with, like this, and simply select both object and text together by pressing shift key, or you can simply select them like this. And using the shaping option, I'm using back minus front because the text is in front of the object. So as simple as that, it will look something like this, and already looking pretty good. And if I want to change the color of the object, simply click over here. So this is how it will look. And let's say if I want to change the position and size of the image, simply double click over here, go inside and change the size if you want, little bit more, again control and click outside. So this is how it will look, pretty much similar I guess to the image that I showed you in the beginning. Control plus click, pretty similar. Maybe this is a bit bigger. Yes, looks pretty similar to me now. Still a little bit bigger, but good enough. So you can change the color according to your theme or whatever theme you are looking for, color combination you are looking for. Simply use that particular color combination that you are comfortable with or you like. So this is basically a simple poster design using text or typography effect on poster. So do give it a go and use different text, different color combination, different image. You will get different result, but pretty interesting result nevertheless. So give it a go, do try this. So I will see you in the next one. Until then, bye bye and cheers.